Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is pineapple chicken fried rice. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 2 cups cooked rice left in the fridge overnight. 8 ounces chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to marinate the chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. Mix well. Set aside. 5 ounces pineapple cut into chunks. Previously, I did a show on how to pick and cut a pineapple. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 4 ounces onion cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 ounces carrot thinly sliced. 1 cup frozen sweet green peas defrosted. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon salt for the entire dish. Finish the preparation. Now we're ready to cook. I'm turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove, or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. We're going to cook the carrot and onion for 2 minutes until the carrot is slightly soft. It's been 2 minutes. The carrot is slightly soft. Now we are going to cook the chicken for 2 minutes until the color of the chicken is no longer pink. It's been 2 minutes. The color of the chicken is no longer pink. Now we're going to add the salt, pineapple, and the peas. To cook for 2 minutes until the pineapple is slightly soft. The pineapple is slightly soft. Now we're going to add the soy sauce and the cooked rice. We're going to cook for 2 minutes until everything is mixed well, breaking up the rice lump. It's been 2 minutes. Everything has been mixed well. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.